Hey y'all, my name is Brandi LaShay, and in today's video we are going to be trying out two products. Now keep in mind I have tried both of these products before, so I am not new to them, but I wanted to compare them to see maybe which one would work better. This whole month of March I've been on this comparison phase, so without further ado, the two products that I will be using today for my twist out is gonna be the Main Choice Glistening Gold Twisting Gel, and then we're also going to be using the Bonita Afro Balm, which is more like a styling cream. So we have a more jelly gel, and then we have a more thick styling cream, and we're going to see which one works better for a twist out. If you want to see the process of me doing my hair as well as my final thoughts on which side I think looks better, then go ahead and stay tuned and we will cut to the next clip. Starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, I'm going to start by parting my hair into 4 sections. Working on my left side, I'm going to go in with the Bonita Afro Balm by the Doux, and I'm just going to put that in the first back section. I want to saturate my hair just a little bit, that way it doesn't dry out in the process. And then in this back quadrant, I'm going to separate it into 2 sections. Working on that lower half, I'm going to take more cream to saturate the hair even further, and then I'm going to begin twisting. Make sure whenever you get to the end, you use a comb to smooth out the section and then twirl it around your fingers. This is going to give a nice curly finish. Now I'm just going to finish off that back quadrant by twisting up the top half of the section. Now I'm working on the top half of that first side, and I'm just going to add more product to make sure my hair is saturated, and then I'll also smooth it through with the brush. I decided that this side was a little bit bigger, so I'm going in on a diagonal, and I will have 3 twists on this top section. As I'm twisting, I take my comb or brush and just make sure that my hair is detangled. This will result in a smooth curl. Also, as I'm done with the twist, I do remove the excess product. While you're twisting, make sure you take your time and don't borrow pieces. We want our twist to easily separate once it's dry. In total, I will have 5 twists on one side. Now we can move on to the Main Choice Twisting Gel. It is a very silky, custard-like gel, so this is going to be great for hold. It's also going to be light enough to be able to separate the twist. So again, I have 2 sections on this side parted out, and in the first quadrant, I'm going to go ahead and split that in half and start twisting. And going in with the second part of that quadrant, I am having a little bit of issues of detangling my hair. I think once the product starts to dry, it just becomes harder to detangle, so I would definitely keep a water bottle handy. That way you won't have any issues detangling your hair. But now the back quadrant is completely done with the 2 twists. I just decided to speed this part up, so I did go ahead and do some twists off camera, but it's the same as I did on the opposite side. Now both sides are completed, and I have a total of 10 twists on my hair. And because I want my hair to be as defined as possible, I'll go ahead and take a twisted section, I'll twirl it around my fingers, and then I will pin it up at the roots. The reason I am doing this is because whenever we twist our hair up and we let it go, the twist naturally expands, but that will create less definition than desired. So I go ahead and twirl it around my fingers. That way we keep the twist tight, and then we pin it in place so that it doesn't unravel again. Once we sit under the hooded dryer, it will set that twist and your hair will be more defined. Alright, I am back and my hair is fully dry. I'm just going to go in with a light serum. That way when I separate those twists, there is no friction. I decided to do a close-up. Look at how easily my hair wants to separate. As you can see, I'm pulling my hair out so I can see where there's a space, and that is where I go ahead and separate the curl. Once it's separated, I just reinforce the ends by twirling it around my finger. This is going to help with combating frizz. Please keep in mind that the separation process is so crucial. You wouldn't want to do all that work just to get to the takedown and then end up with a frizzy mess. So please take your time with this. Don't rush, stay organized, and your twist out will come out beautiful. Now, speaking of beautiful, look at this definition. I had to zoom up real quick so you can see how beautifully defined my hair is. This is top tier twist out. And this is the other side taken down as well. Now we're gonna go to the next clip so we can get my final thoughts.
All right, you guys. First things first, look at my hair. I have great definition on both sides, and that is amazing, which means this was a plus. Both products did phenomenal with definition, and that is probably my #1 thing that I look for whenever I'm using products. As far as the Mane Choice side, my ends were very defined. I didn't have any issues unraveling them. There was no frizz. I really enjoyed how my hair looked and felt on this side. One con I would give to the Mane Choice is when I was taking down my hair, I did notice a sticky residue feeling on my hands. It is nothing that would make me not use the product, but I will say it is something that you notice, and as you're separating your hair, it causes a little bit of friction. So I would just watch out for that. On this side, the clumps were not trying to unravel. It really wanted to stay together. So I did find myself taking down my hair and having to manually pull apart those pieces and then reinforce the curl around my finger. It, again, not a deal breaker, but it is something to look out for. But if you are careful, you take your time, you separate those curls, and then you twirl it around your finger, being very intentional with that, you won't have any issues. Overall, I'm gonna say that both products won. I really enjoyed both sides. I think they look pretty similar. There's no real difference. I have beautiful definition on both sides, and I really just love how my hair looks. It is a softer hold, but I do feel like this hold is gonna last me throughout the week. I may have to retwist certain sections as the week goes on, but I do feel like this was a successful twist out, and I really enjoyed this experience. Shout out to the fact that both products did an amazing job. So again, I really enjoyed this experiment. You let me know what you use for your twist out, and also if you see a difference, let me know which side you like better, or if you're like me, you like both sides. But that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this. Again, my name is Brandi LaShay, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.